hindi lang magaganda pictures dyan, may live streaming pa tayo. And of course, you can watch us on, or like us on Facebook, facebook.com/Shakey'sBleak. Naalala ko na kung bakit gusto ko mag-cover dito dati ni Ninoy Aquino. Double touch there against Mai Prochina. Malamig. One of the coldest air conditioners sa lahat ng mga gym natin sa Pilipinas.
Tsaka malaki siya, no?
Yeah.
Good venue. At pati, malaki kasi yung space yung sa court. That's why it's really good for volleyball. Kasi kahit yung mga side, may measurement yan sa volleyball. Right. Kailangan na malaki yung spaces.
Finally, some offense coming here from the Philippine Navy. Courtesy of Eileen Suson.
And you were right there, partner, because that's just the second attack point of the Philippine Navy against Ateneo's 8 attack points so far.
Isa kikite kanina. 17-8. Ateneo up by 9. Kainglet elevates. Galido is there, the former libero of this team actually. Ito si Marilu Galido. They go once again to Kainglet, rising over the Posoy. And the attack is way short there, coming from Eileen Suson.
Just not enough power to send that across.
And a substitution here. New setter coming in for Ateneo. Now we have Giselle Tan. Seeing her first action. Yes, new face.
Well, actually, kapatid yan ni Bea Tan. I've already seen her play during high school at pagaling tong batang to.
Tsaka wala na sa lineup si Tasha Faustino, who's their backup center. Tajima gets another service error.
Nakakatawa naman ngayon. May sisters na dito sa Ateneo team.
Let's see if they can provide something for the Lady Eagles. Valdez, Prochina, Irabueno. Here's Tan on the setup now for Kainglet. One more time around for Giselle Tan. This time going to Eliza Valdez.
From the back row, she gets that point.
Yeah, tama sinasabi ni Seb Sarmenta. One of the greatest smiles in volleyball belongs to that lady there, si Eliza Valdez. Manalo, matalo, ganda pa rin ang ngiti. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Kainglet, Suson cannot get the reception. Actually, lumapit siya sa area ni Sherry Laporte. And we have a timeout here called by the Philippine Navy as they have fallen behind by 11 points.
Kung mga error, wala na tayong magawa nun. Kundi ang gagawin natin, bawal agad. Hindi, pabutin natin ang pagpagin. Dahil ito yung receive, para makapagpahinga na kayo ba? Pakali na lang kayo. Magkasambala ko na lang kayo. Para makapagpahinga kayo na. Sigawan mo sila dyan mo sa piso ka na, May! Ha? Wala! Ay, may energy siya! Focus lang! Kami lang! Baby!
Bakit naman ito si Sherry Laporte, no?
Mini-me version.
Mini-me version. And well, FU Makati is now open, of course, accepting applicants in the degree, following degree programs, accountancy, accounting technology, information technology, and business administration. Call 836-2002 or visit www.fu.edu.ph. Ang ganda na sinabi doon ni Sherry Laporte, ako nang bahala sa receipt para makapalo kayo. Kasi maglagay na natin ng energy.
Yan ang libero. Ganun naman talaga. That's your role Acceptance. Sabi ko nga yung pagiging libero. Ano yun acceptance na yun na lang yung gagawin mo the entire game. Mahirap yun
Unless your name is Denden Lazaro from day one, already groomed to be a libero. Libero ka ng national youth team.
Trabaho na
trabaho ka agad. Wala nang enjoy, trabaho ka agad. Lazaro, the reception there. Valdez.
Going cross-court. Doesn't get it.
Ganda sana ng idea.
Hot shot there, but no go.
20-11. Ateneo still 5 points away from taking set number 1. Eileen Suson to put it in play. Kainglet. Tan. Back set on the combination for Hervasio. 21-11. Tama yan, Ateneo, no guest players. Maraming sabi na si Gina Llaneta is a guest player. She actually was coming out of high school nung first conference of Shakey's B-League, but now she's a regular in Ateneo as Valdez scores again.
Gets that gift.
Actually, may isa pang bagong player itong Ateneo, Marge Tejada.
Tejada, who is now in for Gretchen Ho. She's at the front line along with Eliza Valdez.
And here's that wicked jump serve again from Angeline Herbacio. Mira Bueno now on the setup for Marilu Galido. Lazaro is there. Tan across for Valdez. And that one goes across. De Posoy. Rosale. De Posoy once again. Kainglet. Tan. Valdez. Mira Bueno. De Posoy. Suson. Long rally here. Tejada. Yes.
And the young Tejada getting that off the block from the middle.
And Joanna Botor Carpio will see her first action of the game. Replacing Mylene Mirabueno. Ateneo 2 points away. Joanna Botor Carpio, of course, former member of the national team also. Seeing her first action here. Herbacio. Suson over receives it. Sabi ni Eliza. Sabi ni Cheryl Laporte.
Wow. Galing. Acceptance.
Tanda mo, Cheryl Laporte's older sister, Mick used to coach Ateneo.
Oh, speaking about Mick, hello daw sa mga taga San Agustin, Bacolod.
Ayan naman, syempre. Alam, may pa-shout out din si Mick. Herbacio. De Posoy. Here's Stan. Going to Eliza. And Ateneo easily gets set number 1. 25-11 against the Philippine Navy. Hardly breaking a sweat in the process, but you know that the Philippine Navy is going to be back in set number 2. Shaky, shake and play. Z. Herbacio going airborne. The reception too long. Sabi ni Eliza, sorry po mga ate.